Before we deliver your brand new washer, make sure it's the proper fit. Double check the height, width, and depth of the area the washer will sit. And do a walkthrough of the delivery path. Measure the doorways, hallways, and other obstacles to ensure the appliance can fit. And make sure the washer door will have enough clearance to fully open. This washer requires a 110-volt grounded 3-prong electrical outlet within reach of the power cord. Both hot and cold water valve hookups must be corrosion-free and within 4 feet of the installation location. A new set of supply hoses is required for your new washer. Existing hoses cannot be reused. Also, make sure there is no standing water in your old washer so that we can easily haul it away. Delivery and setup will go smoothly if you follow these helpful tips, giving your appliance the proper fit.